Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by readying both devices. This speeds the setup. Plug the phone into the Mac Mini or join the same Wi-Fi, then launch the phone app and desktop client. Allow camera and microphone permissions when prompted, because Mac OS blocks unknown video sources by default. Once done, make sure the desktop client recognizes the device name. If not, reauthorize the app on the phone. This step ensures a trusted connection and prevents later permission prompts from interrupting your first. Once the devices are connected, open your conferencing or streaming app and switch the camera input to the phone device. This is typically named after the app or your phone model. In the desktop client, choose resolution and frame rate. Higher settings need more bandwidth and CPU. Make sure orientation is correct. Rotate or lock it, because flipping mid-call is distracting. If you plan to stream, also route audio. Either use the phone's mic or the Mac's input. Balance avoids echo and poor sync. To finish, run a short test call or recording and watch for audio-video sync, exposure, and any dropped frames. Adjust settings accordingly. If you see lag or stuttering, switch to a USB wired connection and reduce resolution or frame rate. This often fixes bandwidth and CPU constraints. Finally, confirm permissions in system settings and the phone. If the Mac still does not detect the phone, restart both devices and relaunch the client. Reinstall only as a last resort to.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.